If you've been thinking about starting an alteration business, this video is about why most people actually need alterations done to their clothing and how this can be an absolute sustainable business for you. So most people go to a retail store and they're purchasing their clothing. Now we all know we have different body shapes and different body proportions and different body types. So when you go and buy the garments in a retail store, you're basically taking it and you're going to be wearing it as is. Now the chances are most of the time it's not going to fit you 100% correctly. Or it's too loose in a waistline. It is so easy to see when a garment is not fitting properly on a person. And the other thing is, this is the difference when someone has taken that extra care to make their garments fit them a lot better. You can see the confidence in them. You can see that they even have this different posture about themselves compared to those that are wearing clothes. My name is TANIA Sutherland. If you like this kind of content about providing a service or turning this into a business as a fashion designer or a fashion entrepreneur, a fashion boss, or someone that's just sewing a wardrobe for yourself or for clients, then how about giving me a thumbs up, share the video, as well as don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below that I can engage with you to get more ideas. It's quite easy to take note of when someone takes more care of their fit of their garments. You can see the chances are they've taken it in for alterations for their garments to fit them a lot better and to fit their bodies according to their body shape. People have taken garments just off the rail they bought in a retail store and they're wearing it as is. Maybe the garment is too long and is making their body look out of proportion. So if you're thinking of offering this service of alterations, you are not just selling a good fit and a custom fit garment to your clients. You are selling them confidence. You are boosting their self-esteem. You're also boosting their self-image about who they are and how they're presenting themselves in their workplace, or perhaps they are entrepreneurs themselves and they are networking with people. They're putting themselves in front of other people, and people can see that whatever they do and taking care of the way that they dress, that filters into everything else that they do. So you are definitely selling much more than just an alteration, because we know that our clothing is an extension of our personality and we are dressing for success, because the way we present ourselves to the world is really the first entrance, the stepping into becoming better and bigger and creating more things in your life just by the way that you look. So you'll be definitely offering a service much more than just alterations. And the fact that most people need to have their clothes altered. So you definitely will have a business that is sustainable in this particular niche market. I will leave a link down below. I have an entire series of over 20 videos to show you how to do alterations, plus fashioning ideas as well, plus a marketing concept and how to price and market and get your business started as a home-based alteration business. Oh, before I forget, I do have an affiliate program with all my pattern collections and my courses. I'll leave the link down below. I would love to pay you to generate more income to add these products to your website and into your business, that you can grow your business, have much more to offer to your clients as well as for yourself.